This video is presented by Canadian Gundam. $10 flat shipping cost from coast to Canadian coast. Please visit their website at canadiangundam.com.
Hey everyone, it's CJ and welcome back to the Gunpla Network broadcast. This week's a short week for Gunpla news, so here are some of the latest announcements. Bandai will release two new clear color versions of the Char Zaku 2 and the Bugu Ramble Route Origin version this month. The kits will be released the third week of the screening of the Mobile Suit Gundam Clash of Loom. Both kits will retail for 2,000 yen. Bandai alert, the next two kits are premium. The Master Grade RX78 CA that was supposed to be released last month will be available a little bit later this week. We also have some new pictures with its accessories. The whole kit will be sold for 4,860 yen. Finally, Bandai is releasing the Master Grade Debra Advanced GNX for the 10th anniversary Mobile Suit Gundam 00 this November. The red mobile suit price will be 4,536 yen. So that's it for this week. Now let's proceed to the top 5 builds of the weeks. In 5th place, Zachariah Valerie and his 1/100 scale Zaku diorama. In 4th place, Lucan and his high-grade Goof Revive diorama. In 3rd place, Goid Amiya and his Examuraya. This week it was a tight race between 1st and 2nd place. In 2nd place, Corey Foster and his Master Grade Epion diorama. In 1st place, Dean Tairoa and his Sazabi version Ka custom. And finally, your channel updates. We have a brand new tutorial for you, how to make a DIY dry booth. The results of the Builder's Choice Awards for August 2017 are in. Check out the top 3 builders of last month. We got the first look at the Master Grade XN Riser, kindly provided to us by Canadian Gundam. Nigun Tat, the legend behind the RX78 of the Gunpla Network banner, shares his full mechanics police officer Vidar. And finally, we are trying something new with the official Gunpla Network website. The Build Filer Journal is a new column where we talk about the influences of anime on the designs of the real-world Gunpla building. We talk about the origins of the designs of the kits used and featured in the shows. So that's it for this week. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bookmark our website, check us out on Instagram, and join us on Facebook. And for anything Gunpla related, stay connected to the Gunpla Network. Bye!